Hi, Crafty Patty here. In my last video, I was having a lot of fun making the knitted retro slipper. I was using the Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and I was able to get 2 pairs of slippers out of the 2 balls of yarn. Being that they're retro slippers, I think we need a pom-pom. So we're going to make pom-poms today, and we're going to put them on those retro slippers. To make both of these sizes, this one's a bit smaller, this one's a bit larger, and I wrapped around 3 fingers. So it just doesn't really matter which one you want, if you want a smaller pom-pom or a larger one. It's just your personal preference. This particular pom-pom, I wrapped the wool around 100 times. If you don't want it as fluffy, then don't wrap as much, maybe wrap around 75 times. If you want it to be a firmer pom-pom, then wrap around 125 or 150 times. So for this demo, I'm going to wrap my fingers 100 times. Just to hold the wool in place. And then I'm going to open these up. Now you're going to place your ball of wool over your strand of wool you just cut. We're going to leave more strands on the end for tying onto our slipper, and take the shorter end, and we're going to wrap around once and wrap around twice. Now pull that tight and try to keep it into the middle of your ball of yarn here. And by wrapping twice, that's going to keep it nice and secure so that stays tight. Wrap it around to the other side. And we'll tie that one more time. Give it a good pull and one more knot to secure it. Now, because I've left the sticks in here, I can come in and I can make sure that I'm going to grab every one of those pieces of strands, and we'll just cut right through. Make sure you don't cut your tie-on strands. Now, take it the other way, open up your pom-pom again.